Hey there, Griddle Nation. Today we have a delicious and hearty recipe for you, a breakfast flatbread. This delicious recipe is packed with flavors and it's going to be perfect for any breakfast or brunch. So let's get started. Before we begin, let's make sure your Blackstone Griddle is preheated to medium heat. Now let's dive into the ingredients you'll need for this amazing breakfast flatbread. First, we have 1 medium tomato. Dice it up into small pieces for that burst of freshness. Next, we have 10 leaves of uncooked spinach. Stack them up, roll them tightly, and chop them into thin strips. Beautiful. Now, it's time for the star of the show, 3 crispy strips of bacon. Lay them on the griddle and cook until they are nice and crispy. Once they are done, remove them from the heat and chop them into small, delicious bacon bits. While the bacon is cooking, let's toast our flatbread. Place the flatbread on the griddle and let it toast on both sides until it is a lovely golden color. This will add a nice crunch to our breakfast flatbread. Now let's move on to the eggs. Reduce the heat to low or turn the griddle off completely. While it's starting to cool off, go ahead and crack 3 eggs and scramble them up. Add them to the cooled off griddle and be careful not to overcook them. We want them nice and fluffy. Now it's time to assemble the breakfast flatbread. I like to do this on Blackstone's warming rack so as not to overcook the bottom, and it allows the cheese to melt really nicely. We're going to start by spreading a generous layer of Mexican cream onto the toasted flatbread. This will add a creamy and tangy base to our creation. Next, let's top it off with our scrambled eggs and chopped bacon bits that we cooked earlier. A sprinkle of Mexican cheese, those vibrant tomato pieces, and the chopped spinach. Follow that with a little dusting of Blackstone's sweet maple seasoning. Doesn't that look amazing already? To finish it off, cover the flatbread with a basting dome. This will create a mini oven effect and help melt the cheese, ensuring every bit is filled with ooey gooey goodness. After a few minutes under the basting dome, our breakfast flatbread is ready. Look at that melty cheese and beautiful colors from the fresh ingredients. It's a feast for both the eyes and the taste buds. This combination of flavors is simply irresistible. That creamy Mexican crema on the base, the sweetness of the Blackstone sweet maple seasoning, that vibrant tomato, it's delicious. You guys should give it a try. Let me know how it turns out if you do. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.